Hello, hello, hello. Welcome. This is Mrs. M, and if you haven't, make sure you click the link below to subscribe to my channel. That way, receive all the information on how to build your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. So I'm going to talk to my government contracting wannabes, the ones that are interested in doing contracts with the government, cleaning contracts with the federal government. So I had a gentleman that called and he asked specifically, how do I market to the federal government? And that is a question we get all the time when we have individuals give us a call and they want to know exactly how do they market to the federal government. Well, there are 2 real specific ways that I'm going to talk about. One, to the federal government, is your capability statement, and 2 is building the relationship with the procurement officers. Now, one of the mistakes a lot of newbies seem to do is pick up the phone and call the procurement office. And they'll talk to the procurement officer and they will ask the question like, how do I find contract opportunities? If you get this question asked to you and your procurement officer, you're going to know right off that this is someone that's new, and you may not look at rewarding them a contract because you figure they may not be able to handle it. Because most everyone knows that part of the research and understanding is how to find the contract opportunities. And it's kind of like credit. You know, you'll call someone and say you're trying to get credit, and the first thing they say is you have to have credit to get credit. So it can be a catch-22. So please do not pick up the phone unless you already know someone that knows someone. And once again, that's about building the relationship, and ask the procurement officer about government opportunities. That's a part of what you need to know when it comes to growing and learning. The other thing I would suggest that you really make sure you look at your capability statement. It would even be nice if you had a website. If you are looking at really doing some government contracts, nowadays they have not only a PDF for your capability statement, but there is a way that you can design your website which answers the who, the what, and what you're doing now when it comes to marketing to the government. So if you're interested in all of this and more, then guess what? You can sign up for my masterclass, my free masterclass on how to win big with government cleaning contracts. Make sure you click the link below to subscribe, and you'll receive all the information on the masterclass on how to get started and some pretty good tips on what you need to do to actually find contracting cleaning opportunities. So if you're interested in learning more than just the basics, then make sure you subscribe to my free How to Win Big in Government Cleaning Contracts Masterclass. And like I said, it's going to be live, so space is limited. So click the link below to register, and we'll look at having a lot of fun. So until next time, take care, be safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.